In this lecture, I am going to give some basic examples for regular expression. Question is written over here. Write a regular expression for the language accepting all the combination of a's over the set sigma is equal to a. All the combination of a, that means empty string a square, a cube, a power 4 and so on. So we can rewrite this as a power star. So a power star means all the combination of a including null value. One more question written over here. Write a regular expression for the language accepting all the combination of a's except the null string over the set sigma is equal to a. So here I have to write all the combination of a, that is a square, a cube, a power 4 and so on, except this null string. So we can rewrite this as a power plus. One more question written over here. Design regular expression for the language containing all the string having any number of a's and b's over the set sigma is equal to a comma b. That means all the combination of a and b including null value. So it will be it can be null value, or it can be only a, or it can be only b, or it can be a square, or it can be b square and so on, and it can be ab or aab or abbb and so on. All the combination of a and b including null value. So we will write regular expression for this as a plus b the whole power star. So star denotes including null value, plus denotes except null value. One more question written over here. Find regular expression for the language containing all the string having any number of a's and b's except null string. So that means there won't be null string. It can be either a, or it can be b, or it can be a square, b square, or it can be ab, or a square b, a b square, or a cube b, or any combination of a and b excluding null value. So we can rewrite this as a plus b the whole power plus. One more question written over here. Find regular expression for the language accepting the strings which are starting with 1 and ending with 0. So the string can be 0 1, or it can be 0 0 1, or 0 0 1 1 and so on. So it can be 0 1 because it should starts with 0, ends with 1. Again it should starts with 0 and ends with 1, and starts with 0, ends with 1. So in between there can be any combination of zeros and 1. So we can write this as 0 into 0 plus 1 the whole power star into 1. So always the string will starts from 0 and ends with 1. One more question written over here. Find regular expression for the string in which any number of a's followed by any number of b's. So we can write regular expression for this as a power star b power star. Suppose my question is find regular expression for the string in which at least one a followed by at least one b. Then my answer will be a power plus b power plus. These are some of the basic regular expressions.